1.4 turbo engine, and petrol engine, that is. And there's a Raptor. It's got 110 kilowatts. That's my little boy there in the back, if you're hearing him. So hi family, I am currently driving my brother's VW Tiguan. It's a 1.4 turbo petrol engine. It's got 110 kilowatts. Not too sure of the Newton meters. But yeah, we're just driving, just getting a sense and feel of the car. Like I said, I haven't posted anything. This is more toward the lines of what I wanted to do for the channel. So I was like, what a time to initiate the whole process and get it done now. So we're just cruising in it. And this is my brother here. Hopefully you guys can see him. And yeah, with his son as well. He's sitting at the back, and we're just having a conversation with regards to the car.
Yeah.
So yeah, D, what have you found? What do you like, don't like about the car from your time of ownership, I guess?
Yeah, no, first of all, honored to be on the channel. But yeah, like you know, I've been looking for this car for quite a while. I've been trying to cop this car for a while now. So yeah, I think it's still in the honeymoon phase. Like, you know, everything is still blissful.
Yeah.
And I guess as a young family man, you know, a family of 3, just my son and my wife. You know, it's a nice quick little car, but you know, big enough to have the family, you know, go on a weekend away, what have you. Yeah. So yeah, like you said, it's the 1.4 petrol petrol turbo. Look, I mean, it's got, for what you're paying, right? It's got a bunch of cool little features on it. You know, with park assist and all of that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm quite happy with the car. The only thing though, and like I was saying to you offline, is I'm shook. I am shook at how similar this car drives to a Polo.
To a Polo, yeah.
Right. So that's the first thing that I noticed when I started driving the car. I was like, this is just a big Polo.
Yeah.
So I had actually never gotten the opportunity to go and like drive one.
Yeah.
I just knew by the looks of this car, like and with my experience with VW, you know, this was a perfect car. So I didn't actually go and test drive the car. So you know, when we bought the car, you know, given the history of the vehicle, we bought the car. I was like, hey man, this is just a big Polo, man. Like,
totally Polo.
Yeah. So, but I don't mind that, you know. I don't mind that. The wife uses it around time. Like I said, it's quite quick. It's nice and safe. So yeah, man.
Yeah, it's a clean car, man. From obviously everyone loves the Tiguan. That's first and foremost. Everyone really loves the Tiguan. See, my little boy as well has something to say about it. Luca, do you like the car? Yeah, he's nodding. So yeah, it's a clean drive. I'm not gonna be overly critical and tell you that it drives what. My, let's say, style of review more than anything is just like driving the car, just getting a feel of it, seeing how it is, just letting everyone know how similar maybe it is to, like you said, a Golf, T-Cross, T-Roc. I've driven them just Ngwami because of the job that I have. And you're right when you say they essentially are the same.
Same type of drive.
Yeah, same type of drive. Different platforms, but same kind of drive.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which is good. You know, I always say myself that, you know, if you know what your clients are looking for, if someone is upgrading from a Polo and they're like, let me get a T-Cross or T-Roc or Tiguan, you know, and they're not necessarily going for the R or, you know, anything hectic like that. You know, you've got the nice one, you've got the R-Line kit, you know, so visually, muy bueno.
It is a stunning looking car.
Right.
So, a funny story, right? So, when we were buying the car, my wife had also not seen it at all. And she had to like co-sign, obviously, for it, right? So, she's like, dude, I need to trust you on this, right? I'm not seeing the car and I'm signing my life away, I'm like, girl, just trust me.
Yeah.
So yeah, she was like with the financer and they bought the car. Yeah. She wasn't here. She called me afterwards.
Really?
After seeing this car is visually I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah, good deal, good deal.
Yeah, look, I mean, for a 2020 model, it's clean, man. Like, everything still feels brand new on this car. So, you know, this is a second hand, by the way.
Yeah.
So the previous owner really
looked after it. Yeah, that is the best. And I'm someone who always advocates for that personally. Given the like how expensive cars are lately, it makes more sense to buy second hand, but just be sure of the car that you're buying. So in your instance, you know, you were blessed that the previous owner looked after the car, and it's essentially going to make your ownership journey a breeze as well, you know what I mean? So
absolutely, man.
Yeah, man. So yes, yeah.
You know what I always wondered though? Why they've got those pedal shifts on a 1.4.
It's so that you're engaged, bro. Engaged.
It's proper cool.
Yeah.
It's proper cool, but I was like, but it's a 1.4 though, you know?
I hear you fully.
Yeah. So
I think it's just so that you know, because I mean, if you look at and I've seen with a couple of them, if you look at a BMW X1, X2, X3, some of them don't have pedal shifters. It's literally just the gear.
Sure,
you know?
yeah.
So I think it makes some kind of sense, like when you look at it like that, you know, you wouldn't necessarily have, if you've got an 18i, you know, you're not gonna need the pedals,
shift,
you know, because I mean, what kind of driving are you gonna do? But that's what I'm saying with Vita, everything is, you know, what you see is what you get.
So look, I mean, this car, if I can find it now, it's got like some sort of track mode.
Really?
You've got like a lap timer.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool, I guess. You know, you could use your pedal shifts to, you know, try and get the, I don't know, the best acceleration of the line. I don't know, but yeah, look, I mean, I can time my laps in a 1.4.
Lalela.
Yeah. The sound system on this vehicle is amazing.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it being a VW, I would be lying if I told you which speakers are
like what sound system it has.
But
what I've found is that even the standard speakers also do the job. I remember, if you remember that 140 of mine, that did not have
that was also a 1.4, right?
Funny guy. But yeah, man, from guys, from the drive that I've had thus far, I really can't fault the car, man. It's really what you see is what you get. I don't want to press it, Mfana. I don't want to press it.
Daddy, where are you going?
We are going to buy you ice cream.
Oh.
Can you even have ice cream? No, you see, it's decent. You know, that's what I'm saying. So earlier on in the day, I drove a 1.8 TFSI, the one year out.
Yeah.
Right. So obviously same family, same watts, right?
Yeah.
Whatever. But this, and it's a 1.4, no?
Yeah.
Pulled the same as that thing. Literally, I swear to you, the difference is really unmatched.
Don't you think maybe it also goes back to the treatment of the car?
Maybe.
From ownership, right?
Maybe. Because generally, dog, like it was a safe pull, nothing crazy, but genuinely felt like that A3.
Right.
So I'm not saying that the A3, but they're all based on the same thing. You know what I mean? So it's what you said as well. It's a car, it gives you exactly what you need, doesn't complicate your life. I've driven the 2-liter TDI. Yeah, that packs a punch. Packs a punch. Because even you feel those Newton meters. You know what I mean? So
look. So I mean, if you got an extra, I don't know. I think same year model 2020. R line. You know, I think if you got an extra 50 grand, if I'm not mistaken. You can pick up the 2-liter TDI. With, you know, similar kilometers as well. So yeah, my neighbor's got one. And yeah, they always looking at us like.
Okay guys, so the video cut, right? But yeah, basically concluding the test drive. Final thoughts?
You, like I said, you young family.
Yeah.
Need a cool looking sporty SUV. Buy it.
No.
Like I said, if you got extra 50 grand, get the 2-liter TDI.
Yeah.
But all in all, it's a great car.
Great car.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, thank you for tuning in, and we're gonna wrap it up there. I should drop or put in a few cinematic shots. It might not look the best, but we're gonna do it. You know what I mean? You gotta learn, man. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and until next time,
Signing out.
thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.